Oh, who's that over there? Oh, say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Oh. So that's the Porirua library in there. Oh yeah. Oh. What's the old man looking at?
Oh, look at these.
Oh, those are pretty cool.
Back the one on the right at the back, the little box with the legs.
Oh.
It's pretty cool. Yeah. That's some good stuff.
Oh, these are for sale too.
Isn't that there? That is pretty cool.
Lots of different techniques being used. And we've got glassware as well. I wonder if there's any gin glasses.
Well, you probably just tumblers.
Oh yeah, and what? Oh, we've got greenstone. Oh, books. Books. More books. Oh look, there's whole stuff over here too. Bowl. Oh. Jewelry. So yeah, I went over to the table and I said to the guy, "I'll have a red wine please," and he says, "Which one?" I said, "The first one."
I see where you...
Oh, you got me now?
Oh, I got
I didn't know all this was here.
Exhibition of, and it's great to see that we've got a good display on in the gallery in there. Thanks to Mark Wilkins for being the coordinator of the exhibition. Before we open the doors, a couple of things to cover. A bit of news in terms of we had a special meeting of the Guild to go through the constitution, which needed to be changed so we could get a certificate of incorporation, which we've now got, which is great. Well, thanks to Mike, where's Mike? Over there, for sorting out the constitution and all the details for it and everything. It's been a bit of a nightmare to do, but we've got there, which is great. Yeah, really good. With regard to the exhibition, it's on for quite a number of weeks. In a lot of the previous exhibitions we've had to have people being minders of the gallery. Because it's on for so long, and because it's out here at Partica, we're not going to be doing that, but what we'd like to do is to have people here, especially at their busy times, and especially over the weekends, for example. And as a result of that, Mark has put a calendar together for people to put their names down and when they can man the exhibition. So if you were interested in manning the exhibition for one of the days, on here it just says the day, but if you put down whether it's a morning or afternoon, the busy period of the day is probably between 11 and 3 when the cafe over here's open. So that'll be on the desk over there for people to fill out. We've got a demo day coming on a week on Saturday, is that correct?
Yeah, well.
On the 12th, which Mark is coordinating. If you are interested in doing the demonstration on that day, then get hold of Mark to do that, and that'll be demonstration out here, is that correct? Cool.
There is also another sheet of paper under that. Put your name down.
Where's that?
Underneath the one that you've got for the...
Beg your pardon. I don't know what I've got. Yes, here we go. Yep. So the demo day list is already there. So if you put your name down, and if you are obviously doing demonstration stuff, you probably need to bring your own tools and bits of wood you're going to work on, and limitation being no sanding and on the likes of the lathes, so that we don't get clouds of dust everywhere and set alarms off and that sort of thing. Somebody was telling me years ago there was an exhibition in here, and they created dust to the lighting system on the tracks, and the lighting track stopped working because of the dust. So it can be a problem. All right. I think that's covered all I've got to say, other than let's open the door and have a look at the exhibition. There we go. We'll go for it.
I haven't, no. A couple of weeks ago I did send you an email or a text from the other.
First one. Oh.
Red dot, Tony?
I did, yeah, I see that.
Got the red dot. Oh, wow.
He said ages ago. No, you've got to lift your game.
There's some Porirua over here.
You've got to lift your game. Go down that end. Red dots mean they're sold.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Red dots as they're sold.
Famous wood turner.
Mr. Winthrop, come over here for a moment, How did you try it? That on?
Well, I was going to do it 2 or 3 times more, and Sharon said stop. Leave it there.
Yes, yeah.
Actually, to be honest, I actually find it thinner. I was actually studying up I think I was the balance. And I could have had
I like that because
silver.
Is that rough enough?
Oh yes, rough enough.
Rough enough?
Is that your piece, is it?
Yeah.
What did you use on the inlay? Did you just use some mica powder?
Sorry?
I'm going to see what you've done over there. It's just beautiful.
Mica powder.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done quite a bit of PowerShell inlays.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So do you have a pressure pot at all for that?
I have got a pressure pot, but I didn't use a pressure pot for that.
No air bubbles.
No bubbles. There's not one.
What sort of epoxy did you use?
Comes from Napier. Not Napier.
Norske.
Chipoki. No. Norske goes off too quick.
Yeah, that's what I found. I found it cracks and cut it out too.
Cock up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't compete with the parity of light.
And that's another one that I've done with that record.
Oh yeah.
So Norske goes off too quick. West system goes off too quick.
Yeah.
Well, it depends what you want to do. If you want to mix 2 colours together,
Yeah.
you want them to go off quicker than...
Yeah, so you can get it swirling. Sort of. Yeah.
But the likes of this one, I just torch it and it takes ages to go off.
Alright.
But
Yeah, I found that the ones that are a lot slower going off, you get no air bubbles because the air bubbles can rise.
you got it. Yeah. You torch it off,
Yeah.
go and have a beer, come back, torch it again, and you could just about walk away. So it's called Metallic, is the brand, but it comes from a guy in Chipoki called Trinity Hill Design. God knows why. That's
he does river tables.
yeah,
That's
very
what
much.
he's
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
he does a lot of.
Yeah, you need good epoxy for that.
Yeah, and he doesn't
he
do
does,
any
yeah.
wood turning stuff.
Alright.
Yeah.
So that's just removed with
And what's the finish on that? Just
a Beal, the Beal system. Which is
yeah. Just the waxing system.
the 3 wheels.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Well, you found anything you could buy there?
Yeah, Hamish, lift your game. Lift your game.
Well, you know,
Come on.
we'll get there.
This is a nice piece, isn't it? I like this
you
sort of
like that
stuff, eh? Like that.
Yeah, it's another
Hawkins special, eh?
Yeah, it's another technique one.
He's always using the leaf.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a gold leaf one.
I don't embed it. I don't embed in the middle. I like
Is
that.
it a bowl or a box? It's just a.
It's a bowl.
It's just a bowl.
This is cold.
There's some cool stuff.
Have we seen everything? I don't know. Oh no. Oh, so here we are having dinner. Cheers, Dad.
Cheers, Mush.